Welcome to Fun Class.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to GiGi's channel. Bang bang! Look, this is the newly built railway station. Today, I'm a conductor of this train. Here's the remote control board. Look, this is the train that I'm gonna remote control. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Ooh, be careful! There's a bridge in front. Be ready for getting on the bridge. Watch out! Come on! We made it! Get on the bridge. We'll be at the station in a minute. Ooh! Here we are! Please get on the train as soon as possible.
Please get on the train as soon as possible. And please wait in line.
Oh, hi. I'd like to have my baggage checked. Where should I put it?
Just drop it here. And then there'll be a freight train taking them away.
That would be great. Thanks. Please don't forget. Open the door. The passengers get seated. Be ready to go.
Hello? Are you responsible for baggage checking? Here we've got one luggage to be checked. Could you please come over to the railway station? Toto, please slow down. Here comes the freight train. Hello, where's the luggage? Please give it to me. Here it is. Here you are. Thank you for your work. No sweat. See you.
Whoa! Stop! We're applying for changing tracks. Could the staffs please help us? Nobody answered. Alright, maybe another track will also work. Keep going. Shoo! Stop! Oh, how terrible! There's a huge cargo getting in the way. What should I do? What should we do? Oh my god! There was a car crash and on fire! What to be done? Oh, I got it! Call the fireman! Hi there!
Hello, this is the fire station.
There was a car crash on the track and caught fire! Please come to aid.
Okay, we'll be there in a minute. Number 1, set off. Number 2, set off. Do do do, do do do, do 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 do. Take out the squirt gun.
Whoa! The fire had been put out! Excellent!
Do do do.
I've sent it to the right place. Can I help you? Oh, hi. Could you please take me home? I have the same destination with the luggage.
No problem. Please sit behind me. Let's go. Do do do.
Bing bong. Get home safely. Boys and girls, you should also return home safe and sound. Please don't forget to give us a heart and subscribe. Bye-bye!